close your eyes now because this is going to be a long travel. Yeah, you need to rest.
Do you still want to go swimming tonight?
No.
Not tonight?
Why? Here. Huh?
We're here, Kuya.
We have arrived.
Yes.
I wanted to sleep.
Surprise!
Count how many balloons. That's your age.
Baby.
So easy.
Yeah.
Because you said it's my age.
Yeah.
Meanwhile.
Since this is a hotel apartment, we have the kitchen, the living room, dining area, and the bedroom. Alright guys. Hello birthday girl.
And 3 more presents for me.
There's the closet, there's the bathtub, towels, extra towels. There's me. Oh, it's very cold. Just stay there, baby. It's very cold here. No, please. Just stay there. This is our view. That's the Sheikh Zayed. There's a drawback here. We cannot see the Burj Khalifa from the balcony. But we can see it later in the pool area. Yeah. Baby's gonna open up? Yeah. Okay. Three more gifts.
Wait, I saw this inside the bag, but I did not know what it was.
Need some help?
There you go.
I
Still don't know what this
Check
is.
What do you mean? Luggage?
Are you traveling somewhere?
No, we're not.
Need some help?
No.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. It is a box.
Careful, huh?
I'll help you. Where? What the heck?
It's a butterfly.
How are you supposed to open this? Oh, I think it's like... Oh, it's from here also.
Ah.
Wait, let me see. Oh, it's... I know. I like...
Picnics.
Ooh, it's a water bottle inside. Nice.
Wow. Ah,
And
this
the
is very
pockets.
useful. We will go back
Oh,
to
that's so
Alcus
cool. There's
Fun
a zipper
Park.
inside.
Yeah. Take it, baby. Show us what's inside. Plates.
I don't
Wow.
see anything.
Oh, it's a set.
They're plates.
Oh, yeah. Never mind, just open it.
What's this?
Help you?
Hello, the side, baby. Here.
Oh, another Barbie.
Oh, that's a different Barbie.
That's not even Barbie.
She's a villain.
It's the sandals. Because my aerial doll is also like this, very similar, but it cannot like sit. Oh,
it's like a Barbie.
another Barbie, but a normal Barbie.
Normal? What do you mean normal?
Oh,
Oh, what?
No way.
it's my favorite.
Really?
Cookies Roll C.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Cookies Roll C also has.
You know that feeling you get when you get a toy that was in a YouTube channel. That's what she's having right now.
Yeah.
Cookies Roll C?
And it has the same color as
The next day.
Why you wake up so very early? Playing with your toy?
a present from yesterday.
You're coloring it?
Yeah.
You like it very much, do you? But wait. Why is it naked? Barbie is naked. Okay, I'll get back to you when she's dressed, okay?
Okay.
Let's check outside. Good morning, Dubai. It is still very cold. I don't know if we can take a swim today. Whew. Good now. Staycation is a 21st century thing, and there are so many reasons, why one should have a staycation. One is that
Because you can swim.
because it is a time and money saving activity, especially for families like us. And you don't need to buy tickets for flights abroad, and you don't have to worry about all those preparations. And also it will help promote local attractions, like being a tourist in your own town.
I'm 6 now.
I've mentioned this also in my previous vlog. But the main reason actually why the family is having a staycation is because our daughter, this one, Ivana, we just heed to her request, and instead of having a birthday
Kuya,
party,
come here.
we'll just have a
Stay
staycation.
there.
Why?
And simple,
Just
and
stay there.
we don't have to go somewhere. It's just that we have to be out of the four
I'm trying
corners
to
of
do
our
that.
apartment.
Don't
But
move.
another one more reason actually is Dubai right
I
now
cannot do it.
is in winter season, and the weather is cold. Wait, baby, let me finish. It's very cold outside, so we have to find a temperature controlled pool, and this apartment has one. So that's the reason.
It has.
Okay.
And she's gonna relax.
Alright, so see you in the
But
pool.
she's not real. She has ice cream because I love ice cream.
You don't feel cold?
Why you don't
cannot
like
submerge.
splashing? Oh!
Burj Khalifa is there. It's temperature controlled, yes, but it's still a bit cold. I know what you're thinking. Fortnite.
Miles? Are you thinking about Miles?
Oh, I can't do it, Miles.
Tomorrow. After the release.
Alright, we're going to say bye-bye for now. City Premier Hotel Apartments. It was a nice day. And our staycation is now over. Let's go.
What if Kuya's backpack is so heavy?
I'm going to the bus.
Sige na.
Oh, give on!
His gimbal is this big. I mean, it's
There.
Okay, go. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Daghang salamat.